Hello, Professor. My name is Maulik Kumar Atulbhai Davra. Today, I am going to present fall protection equipment in construction industry. What is fall protection? So, fall protection refers to the employment of control to keep people from falling, or if they do, to stop them from hurting themselves. So, basically, fall protection equipment is used in construction industry. Majority of accident and deaths are doing by like are the falls are the reasons behind the majority of deaths and critical accident in construction industry. So a fall protection is a type of safety device that makes a working at height safer. Fall protection requirements set out from the Occupation Safety and Health Administration, OSHA. This one is our fall protection equipments, different parts like energy absorber, full body harness, web lanyard, lifeline, rope grab, locking snap hooks. So these are the parts of like fall protections. So training for fall protection. As we know that before using fall protection equipment, it's employers' responsibility to make sure that give training to their workers. So training builds confidence and should be done as an initial introduction, then repeated on a regular basis for a review and practice. So what are the objectives of fall protection equipments? So inspect and maintain equipment, recognize full hazard, eliminate and the hazard where possible, select the proper equipment for each application, understand the limitation and requirement of the equipment. So component of personal fall protection. So we have three components here: anchorage, body support, and means of connection. These are the main component of fall protection equipment. So let's talk about anchorage. So commonly referred to as a beam tie off point. So in this image here, this one like the I beam, it's our anchorage. It's like a beam which support the worker from the uh, fall protection. So anchorage connector used to join the connecting device to the anchorage. So this one is a anchorage connector. So second one is a body support, the personal protective equipment worn by the worker. So here in this image, the worker wear this the yellow and black. This one we called as a body support. It's attached with the body support is wear by the worker. So if person falls, if worker falls, it uh, protect the workers. Means of connection, the critical link between the joints and the body wear to the anchorage connector. So this one is a body support and this one is anchorage. It connects the both. It we call it as a means of connection. So this one is a means of connection in this image. So let's talk about the first anchorage and anchorage connector. A permanent structure component such as a beam, grind, column, or floor that can support the force applied in the preventing the fall is referred to the anchoring. So the component by which the connecting device is attached to the anchoring is referred to the anchorage connector. So anchorage and anchorage connector must be self-contained and capable of sustaining 5,000 pound per employee connected. So, and one more thing, they must be high enough so that if worker falls, he or she does not come in touch with the lower level. So second one is body support. Here we have two body support in the fall protection equipment. First one is a body belt and another one is a full body harness. This one is body belt and this one is a full body harness. In most of construction work and like we used full body harness rather than body belt. It's like uh, a complete body harness distribute the fall arrest force over the shoulder, thugs, and pitch. It like this full body harness distribute the working force in different body parts. And full body harness should be chosen according to the task, to the done, and the working environment. Means of connection. As we know that the connecting system subsystem is a crucial link between the body wear and anchorage connectors. In the case of fall, the connecting mechanism for a personal for arrest is a frequency a lanyard with the energy absorbing material to limit the energy impacted on the user's body. So this one is an anchorage connector, and this one is a body support. So this one is our means of connection. These connect the both parts, and one also we they this means of connection absorbs the energy when person falls. So it reduces the impact on user's body. Cleaning, maintenance, and storage of fall protection equipment. So basically, as we know that uh, basic fall protection equipment maintenance will extend the unit's useful life and help it to perform its crucial safety role. So cleaning the equipment of dirt, corrosion, pollutions is a vital as a proper storage and maintenance after use. So fall protection equipment should be kept in a cool, dry, and clean location away directly from the sunlight while in the use. Heat, moisture, light, oil, chemical, and other degrading agents should be avoided. Some more points about the cleaning, maintenance, storage of fall protection equipment. So if the equipment is damaged, we must need to make sure that it's separate from other fall protection equipment, and a formal examination by the competent person should be undertaken prior to operating equipment that has been kept for the lengthy period of time. Inspection of fall protection equipment. So every time before use of fall protection equipment, we need to inspect the fall protection. So inspection will be required more often if we use the fall protection equipment in frequent basis. Each inspection should be documented in proper format and do, put in the safe places. So follow the manufacturer's recommendation for inspecting the all equipment and return the equipment to the manufacturer of inspection, repair, and recertification if it is needed by the manufacturer. If remove all components of the system from service, dispose of them according to the manufacturer's instruction if a fall has been stopped. So before using fall protection, make sure your body belt and lanyard are in a good working order. So thank you, sir and classmates. So if you have any question, you can call me anytime. And this one is my ID, Davra Maulik 87 at gmail.com. Thank you, sir.